Hello guys and welcome back to CryptoCarl's channel. In today's video I found for you a very cool project. If you want to support my channel, please like and comment my video.
As we move along, and now you need to due diligence and look at all of them, because we never know which one might be the next big thing. So today we'll be looking at RocketX. Base prices and new token RocketX is the most advanced hybrid aggregator that simplifies access to liquidity across 250 plus CEX and DEX with the most secure UE and ABYs. So swap across chains web from one network to another is the cheapest and fastest way possible. Currently RocketX has done 12,171 swaps with a value of just over $20 million. And that's over 15 different networks. Is RocketX the one-step shop where you can actually change from the one network to the next network instead of jumping around from one to the next to get where you want to be? Fully featured and decentralized access to global liquidity. We simplify access to 15,000 plus tokens across 250 exchanges via single initiative UE and APIs. So swap to any wallet with one click. You can swap from one wallet and receive tokens on a different wallet of your choice. Cross-chain swaps. We are on a mission to simplify interoperable between all leading blockchains and support one-click cross swaps. Base prices, compare and save more with RocketX. We made it easy to compare cryptocurrency prices across hundreds of crypto exchanges and save big with every swap. Non-custodial, not your keys, not your tokens, will help users take complete control of the tokens. Connecting your wallet, your token stays in your wallet as this weapon happens. So we talk about trading history. All trades on RocketX are just a click away with every scan in real time. RocketX has been securely audited. RocketX exchange has undergone multiple security audits. With every major update we'll receive our audits. So now that's important, the more security, all this has been done hopefully with independent sources. And the better one, more secure options should be. Looking at RocketX roadmap for 2022, we can see that they have achieved quite a few things. The first one was 350 plus token support, supporting 7 networks: BNB Chain, Ethereum and Polygon bridges. 10,000 token support, Solana Phantom, Paraswap, Coinbase, Phantom, Jupiter, all of them has been added to the Gcoin integration. RocketX, your branding is just keeps on building, and what can be looking for new wallet integrations, BTC and 5 new blockchain integrations. The OGX integration, Adoc Cardano, 5 new blockchain integrations. It just keeps on building forward and fed on off ramp as well. And as they achieve your goal, I'm pretty sure as they grow it will be more and more goals to improve and keep on building this opportunity. So what is the token utility of RVF? Whole generic token has primarily two benefits. First one, HODL RVF and a well up to 100% discount on platform for free. And the second one, early access to product futures by holding more than $10,000 RVF tokens, where you can share your feedback and shape the product apart from enjoying 25% discount on the platform for free. RVF token buyback on a monthly basis will be launched soon with some percent of the revenue generated. And also USDT airdrop from revenue to RVF holders is currently paused. We will revisit once we reach $30,000 monthly revenue. RVF token release. 100 of tokens already distributed by C2022. As per token release schedule, 75% tokens in circulating supply. Team voluntarily locked liquidity another 2 years till end of 2024 to show long-term commitment to the project. Team also locked 20 of their released tokens again, voluntarily to show long-term commitment to the project, and token locked with here. I would also like to say that users can compare rates on centralized and decentralized exchanges and get the best rates. There is no other exchange that helps users to trade CEX like Yukon, Hobby, and etc. using the wallet. It is a universal platform for all types of on-chain and across-chain swaps at the most favorable rates, and why RocketX is the best and why I do all my swaps using RocketX. Now I will show you the best and cheapest webs that are here. ATH and the AGEX is the most popular L token. Compare price is across both CEX and DEX, and user get better rates via CEX and saves $50. If and injection protocol. Here we can compare prices on both CEX and DEX, and the user gets the best prices through CEX and saves $1,500. If and else, here we can prices across both CEX and DEX, and user gets better rates via CEX and saves $1,000. Cross-chain swaps and bridge. There are also a lot of other very profitable swaps here. Looking at the RocketX launched app, when you go to connect wallet and you click on it, it gives you multiple options. You select the bullet you would like to use, Metamask, Coinbase, XT5, so you trust the wallet with SafeBell, and then the next networks. There is multiple networks from your most known to your less known, but having all these different networks giving them the opportunity to do the cross-chain. The well-known ones being BitExchange, Polygon, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just to name a few, with this launchpad and Swipe and cross-chain. RocketX has given you opportunity you don't see how they are offering. Have a look at RocketX because this might be the next thing out there. Of course, it giving you the opportunity to do swiping easily while looking at of different opportunities. Also, in the description you can find the link to the Telegram of the live the recording will be available. All RocketX social information and web page will be down in the description as well, and this is something worth looking at. This might be the next big opportunity.
Okay, it's all for now, guys. I hope this video be helpful for you and you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!